Today we are at El Capitan State Beach, and I'm taking out the stealth camper for the very first time. So one of the things, because of COVID, like many of you watching possibly feel the same way, is camp life has become a really popular option to get away and just try to get, away from the whole COVID vibe. And so like many of you, I've been watching tons of people from everybody that just lives on their van full, and it really just had this gravitational pull. I want to do this. The costs can get astronomical. So anyway, I just pulled the trigger and got a passenger van, ripped out the seats, insulated it, put in some flooring, built a bed platform, and here we are. And so this is going to be the first night trying to walk around of this van. Now, again, it's a 2012 Ford E150 passenger van. I pulled out the seats. I did the flooring. I put some moisture barrier reflectant as my insulation. I put in just some FRP, which is like a plastic panel, stuff that was really user-friendly, do-it-yourself friendly, because I didn't have the experience or the ability to do some full-blown build, and I really just was itching to get out here and get started. So I got all this done for under $300. So I'll show you some shots of that and give you a little walk around of the van. So come on, let's get started right now. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of Walty Wanders in the stealth camper. Hopefully we'll have some more places to visit, and hope you enjoyed this one of El Capitan Beach, the budget build, and we'll see you guys on the next video.